Hey, I'm Mike,
I'm Pam.
and we're the Board Explorers.
I'm super excited to talk to you all today about the Aurora Glass Cabin we stayed at the Apukka Resort in Rovaniemi, Finland. So once you're inside the door, to the right-hand side, there are some hooks for you to hang your coats and backpacks. To the left, there is a bench. I was just sitting on it to take my shoes off. The day before we left, we actually realized you could open it and there's additional linens inside. Once you enter into the main living space, you have a table with 2 chairs that comes with a jug, some glasses. So you can go get water in the bathroom, drink out of the tap. I generally would not drink water out of the tap, but here,
No.
completely safe to drink. Also, there's a mini fridge, which is really nice. We went to the supermarket and picked up a few things. Mainly went for blueberry juice. There's also some plates, coffee mugs. There's a coffee maker. So you've got really everything that you need.
Yeah, moving inside, you have, I think it's a pretty cool style that they have going on with the whole cabin itself. It's got like these pelts, making it look kind of Nordic, kind of Viking. They've got a couch that's super comfortable. This is a pull-out bed. If you have more than 2 guests, we don't really recommend it. It's kind of a couple's kind of retreat cabin, at least the standard cabin is. They have a family side, but this is more of a couple's kind of place. Once you're moving inside, you do have, above the bathroom, you have the heater, the actual heater. It works pretty well in our experience. And right there you can see is the fireplace that is purely cosmetic. I think it's actually a pretty cool touch. In the bathroom, it's nice bathroom, really nice bathroom. Right when you walk in, you've got this weird little handle, spray handle thing that I'm pretty sure is a bidet of sort, but I wouldn't be shooting that to clean any of my parts. They do have fully stocked bathroom. They've got the toilet paper, they've got hand towels. It's pretty soft, nothing to write home about, but they do have some hand lotion, hand soap.
Also in the bathroom, the floors are heated. That was the biggest thing for me. We didn't do any research before we booked this place. We were actually somewhere else and left to go to Finland on the fly. So we just booked this place. We didn't know a lot about it. And when I walked in there with just my socks on, that was a really nice surprise. The floors were heated.
They have this rainfall shower head in the bathroom, and if you're anything taller than 6'1", 6'2", something like that, you're probably gonna have to crouch. Right when you walk outside of the bathroom, there's the heater, the window heater, and right beneath it is also the control for the heater in the room.
So in this room, there's not a closet. They have a wardrobe. So there's some hangers available for you to hang up your clothing. There's also shelves, so if something doesn't need to be hung, you can just put it in there.
Coming back out, you do have the fireplace that we were going to talk about. So it's, I think, super sleek, super cool, very nice touch to the room. This, to me personally, was like one of the biggest attractions to me in the room. Like when you're in the room at night, you're looking out the glass window, you're looking for the aurora, you're just hanging out. You have this little bit of light and for coming from the fireplace, and it's just a super nice touch. I really think it's a super nice touch. Like I said, doesn't give off heat though, so don't go thinking that that's going to give off any heat like a real fireplace.
They have the standard European style beds. They actually have pads on there, which I was worried about was going to be uncomfortable, but it's not. It's actually really comfortable. They have 2 separate duvets, so no sharing, and several pillows so you can prop yourself up to watch the northern lights or just to get a good night's sleep.
And we have the main attraction, the Aurora Glass Igloo Cabin. Basically, half of the cabin is a huge window where you can just look out. They even aim the bed right at the glass window, so you can just lay down in the bed with your partner, your buddy, whoever you're there with, and just look right out the window and try to chase the aurora. Highly recommend staying at the Apukka Resort. This place is the coolest thing since sliced bread.
We were fortunate enough to see the aurora in full swing while we were there. There was a geomagnetic storm, the stars aligned. I don't know what happened, but it was the most amazing thing ever.
Yeah, we'll put a link in the description for the aurora video that we have with all the amazing aurora shots that we captured while we were here. All of them are here at the Apukka Resort. So stay tuned for that. Once again, thank you very much for tuning in to the Board Explorers. And please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.